Hey there, home bakers! Today I'm sharing a delightful recipe for morning glory muffins. These are perfect for breakfast, so let's dive right in. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a muffin tin with paper liners or grease it lightly. Now let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 large eggs, 1 cup of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 cups of grated carrots, 1 large apple, peeled and grated, 1/2 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/2 cup of crushed pineapple, drained, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans. Alright, ready to mix? In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, oil, and vanilla extract. Now add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Next, fold in the carrots, apple, coconut, raisins, pineapple, and nuts. This combo brings a burst of flavors and textures that makes these muffins irresistible. Fill your muffin cups about 2/3 full. Pop them in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know they're done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let them cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before transferring to a wire rack. And there you have it. Morning glory muffins that are moist, flavorful, and packed with wholesome goodness. These muffins are not just delicious, but also nutritious. Perfect for starting your day on a high note. Thanks for baking with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. See you next time.